Are you tired of all the forex scams and unregulated brokers? Today we are reviewing Hanko Trade. So let's go. Hi there, let's jump straight into this video. Hanko Trade is an ECN broker with spreads as small as 0 pips and also give you the advantage to have a leverage up to 500. Hanko Trade also have the 4 most tradable products that you can have in the financial markets. We have the forex markets, commodities, indices, and also crypto investings. Here at Hanko Trade, you get the 3 trading accounts for beginners, for more advanced, and for professionals, right? So if you're a scalper or just a small trader that's coming into trading, I would recommend you start off with the SDP account. The SDP account stands for straight to processing. You can start with the minimum amount of $10 and you pay 0 commission, but you will only have a large spread. It's around 0.7 pips. And then we have what they call the more advanced account, the Ecn account. It stands for electronic communication networking. The minimum deposit with this account, you gotta need $100, but the spread is going to be 0 and the commission is around $2 per side per 100k fund trade. So the second more exclusive account, if you're more professional and have more knowledge base and are driven and have the capital to trade up to larger amounts of money, I would recommend to start off with the ECN Plus account. You're gonna need the minimum deposit of $1,000, 0 spreads, leverage up to 500 with $1 per side per trade. This is the advantage here at Hanko Trade. Let's view some more. Hanko Trade also gives you the advantage to start off with a bonus account, 100% bonus only if you start with the ECN account with $100. As you can see right here, Hanko Trade's matching bonus option allows clients to change their account margin. Our bonus option can be available with a minimum account deposit of $100. So if you deposit with the CN account with $100, it will give you the advantage to start trading with the bonus account right away. And one thing that you have to keep in consideration is that the 100 bonus account is not your money. It's only the money that the broker is giving you to trade a bit larger amounts of trades. So guys, let's view some more. The trading platforms we have here at Hanko Trade is we have Meta 4 and MetaTrader 5. Let's go to About page and go to FAQs. Why should I choose Hanko Trade for my trading experience? Hanko Trade has maintained its reliable and client-friendly reputation through its low spreads. That is what all trader needs, the low spreads, guys. If you execute a trade, you don't want to be in drawdown for more than an hour before you will get into profit. Because why? As scalp traders, the best is to be in profit right away once you start entering your trading position, guys. That is why I choose Hanko Trader. That's my personal opinion, because why? Once I enter a trade on Hanko Trade, I will be right in profit from the start. So let's view some stuff that you guys really want to see. How long will it take for Hanko to process my withdrawing request? Hanko Trade process all withdrawals in 1 working day, guys. That's amazing. In 1 working day on business days, and ensure a smooth and efficient forex trading experience for its clients. That is one aspect, guys, that I never got from my previous brokers. I was waiting for 4 to 5 days for a proper withdrawal, especially when I'm withdrawing like 20,000 or 30k. Now let's take a look at what are the trading hours of Hanko Trade. Hanko Trade is available to its clients for trading 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You can trade on Hanko Trade from Monday to Thursday at all hours on, and Friday till 12 p.m. GMT +2, guys. So you can trade during the week till Friday, the same as other brokers, but you cannot trade over weekends on Hanko Trade. But that is respectful, because while a lot of you who are watching this are probably forex traders. So now it's all about you must decide. What I will recommend is for you guys to start off with a demo account just to see how the price is fluctuating and look out for the spreads. But if you're more advanced, you just want to start trading, you guys can deposit and start with the SDP account or ECN ECN or ECN Plus account that are recommended. So then you can start off with a live account registration right there. If you guys want to see a video on Hanko Trade, how to register a live account, guys, please comment down below. Let's look at some reviews, right? I have zero problems with this broker, and I've been using for over a year. No problem with deposit or withdrawal. Spreads is just fine, and have not seen funny business happen on the charts like I did with traders. Okay, I'm just gonna name that. Okay, I've been with Hanko Trade for about 3 months now. I've been nothing but impressed with them this far. Withdrawal times have been very reasonable. The spreads are low, but the customer service has been even better. Wow, customer service even better. So you guys can see that the customer service is better. A lot of other brokers, customer service is so poor, guys. You can email them, you can send them something, but nothing, right? They will not respond to you, guys. So this is gonna be it for this video, guys. If you want to subscribe to and apply and sign up to this broker, check out, there's a link in the description box down below, guys. And this is the broker that I'm currently using as well, guys. So I would recommend you guys to sign up with this broker and stop being fooled by other brokers who just want to take your money. Thanks.